Hi friends, we are creating perfect business websites using WordPress, and we have seen hundreds of themes and other WordPress resources on this channel. In this video, I am targeting a very amazing website for restaurant, fine dining, sushi, cafe, or for similar services. So if you are targeting a website for restaurant and food outlets, cafe, this video is exactly going to be helpful for you, and we are going to overview a wonderful theme. Yes, it is the best theme that I can say for a restaurant, and you can see the amazing layouts and the speciality of design and the presentation of content is really very aesthetic. So the reservation system is here, everything that you need for a restaurant website, and with the theme that we are going to use, we have restaurant, sushi restaurant, steak house, fine dining and cafe options as pre-made websites. And the theme is called Boucherie, and it is a steakhouse restaurant and cafe WordPress theme, and it is coming from the VAMTem. We have already used multiple themes from this house, and all the themes coming from VAMTem are really wonderful, and they are of course Power Elite Author. So let us proceed for installing the theme, and I have this press installation of WordPress. I am assuming you have already taken a hosting and a domain name and you have installed the WordPress core. If not, you may simply follow the procedure of installing WordPress core, and you can watch a separate playlist available on this channel, Learn WordPress, if you are exactly new for WordPress websites. But yes, you have to watch this video until end if you are really willing to create a professional website for restaurant. So if you are coming to this channel very first time and yet not subscribe the channel, consider subscribing this channel and join the iCreate program as well. Everything is for you. Let us start creating a wonderful website for restaurant. So with the default theme, our website is looking like this. It is using the default theme, and we are going to install the theme Boucherie here on this installation. So let us proceed. I'll show you the theme pack first. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, the child theme, the licensing, and the readme first file is here. So we are going to use this installable theme file. To install the theme, we can simply open the theme section under Appearance tab and click on Add New Theme. And Upload Theme, we have to choose the installable theme file and click on Install Now. In just few seconds, theme has been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page just to check the details of version and all. So with the default theme, we have now this Boucherie WordPress theme, and we can check the details. I am using version 2.6. When you will order the theme by following the video description link, you have to buy the theme through the video description link only at Envato Market, that is on themeforest.net. And it is important to follow the description link because you will get a free pass for iCreate, and here you can create your website with the help of mentors with a live chat and all supports. Yes. So to proceed further, we have to activate the theme. This is version 2.6. You might be getting an updated version, but the installation process and feature will remain almost same in the coming versions as well. But yes, the enhanced version can be there. So you have to check the versions always. Okay, let us activate the theme. And for activation, we have to register the theme first of all through the purchase code that we have through our Envato account. And at the next step, we have to install necessary plugins. So Elementor is here, VAMTem Elementor integration for Boucherie is here, and the VAMTem importers. Only 3 plugins that I can see here. It is really very nice. And if a theme is using very less number of plugins and these are coming from the developer itself, it is going to give you a stable website. So you need less maintenance process and all. So it is really very important to consider all these things if you are selecting a theme and you want to have a long-term successful website. So I'm going to install these plugins first, and it may take a while because and the number of plugin is only 3 as all has been installed successfully. Okay, so the next step is already here. We can proceed to demo content import. It is a very simple process of installing this theme, and this is the beauty of a theme coming from a power elite author like Webdam. Okay, let us proceed. And okay, sorry. So click on this proceed to demo content import, and let us see. So okay, this theme requires Elementor Pro. If you don't have Elementor Pro, please download it here. So it is taking you to the Elementor Pro screen, and install and activate the Elementor Pro and proceed with the importing the demo content. If you have any issue, import, please forget. And so first of all, we have to change the permanent link structure as well, and install the Elementor Pro. So you might not be having Elementor Pro, so you have to follow the link for buying the Elementor Pro, and you can always follow the video description links. All the relevant links has been given in the description itself. So first of all, I'll install the Elementor Pro that I have. Elementor Pro installed, and now I'm going to activate it first. So latest version of Elementor Pro with Elementor, Phantom, Elementor integration, Phantom importer. So these are 4 plugins that I am using here. So 3 was already provided in the theme pack. Elementor Pro is additional one. Okay, so this is not for you. It is for me only. So you have to use these 4 plugins: Elementor, Elementor Pro, Phantom, Elementor integration, and Phantom importers. So okay, so let us move next, and I am going to again for importing the demo content. But before we proceed for importing demo, we have to change the permalink structure, and we have to keep the permanent link structure at the post name before we start import process. I am repeating, select the post name and hit on save changes before you start demo import process. It is important. And now we can go for demo import. And since Elementor Pro is installed, the demo import link is active now. We can simply click on the demo import, and it is going to work fine, as I am assuming. As always with the main content imported, image import process is going 225 images remaining, and it is of course going to take time. Images are media files, and it always takes time, but yes, it is bringing all set of images at our installation from the developer website, and it is really important to have images because those images can give us idea, and we can even use those images at our website. So we have to be patient at this screen until this is going on. But yes, we can check the media and library in another tab just to check whether we are getting images. So yes, so some files are here, and one image I have received. So these are some style and TTF font files, SBZ theme icons. Okay, so I'm refreshing this. Yes, so if we are getting images here, it means we are fine, and we just need to wait here on this screen. It was 225, now it is 214. Of course, it is going to take time, but it is bringing the content in a very necessary manner. And once it gets complete, we will have a new website. So show your patience here. Don't disturb the screen. Don't hit the back button. Don't refresh the page. Just wait. And meanwhile, the demo import process is going on. I'm going to show you this wonderful theme again. So this is very simple, and the booking system website. And this is a restaurant menu, order line, online, and browse menu options. Really great. Clean, simple, aesthetic, to the point. Download PDF, browser options. So this is one menu. This is one option of pre-made website. I like this one very much. This is for Sushi restaurant, and I like this system of moving the scroll, and this is really rotating, and the reservation system is also well available here. So this is going to be really helpful for you. So open table option is here. You can integrate the open table booking system, or book a table is already here. So it works fine. So you can participate, date, yes, so time you can decide. So you have to select the time, and okay, so it is good, your name, and find a table. So name can be typed here, taste name, and the email taste@taste.com, just for testing the heights. Okay, so submission was successful, and it will be notified to the administrator of the website, and the table reservation will go accordingly. Further, we have this another fine dining options. this theme really present the content in a very, very cool and specific manner. So I like the clear layouts very much, and I have seen in my experience we are creating multiple websites in a month or in a single day. So we have seen the successful website is always clean and clear. And if you are willing to have a successful website, consider a theme that is presenting the content very clearly. And you can find multiple themes on reservation restaurants on this channel itself. So there are hundreds of themes to choose and compare. You can watch another video. This is why I'm saying you have to subscribe this channel. And once you subscribe this channel, you are never going to miss any of the content updates coming on this channel regularly for WordPress website. Yes. So I was simply saying you can use a theme that is presenting the content in a clear manner. Don't choose any theme. So I have shown multiple themes, as I said. So you can choose any. I don't have any objection. But in our opinion, you have to choose only that theme that presents the content in a very, very clear manner. So it is important to have a clear and clean website so that your visitors never gets confused. Because you are presenting the content for selling purposes, not for you are not a design or something like that. So you are presenting the content for your restaurant. So just focus on that. And you can see this hamburger menu is also very good. So now the import process we can check. Now only 173 images are remaining. It is going very fine, very fast, and I can refresh this page. Okay, so now I have 62 media items. Yes, it is going fast and we have to wait further. And after 5 minutes of demo import process, I can read this message: main content imported, image import progress all done. It means the demo has been imported successfully and we are fine to move on next. So I am going to refresh this page. How many media items was provided? Yes, 234 media items. It is really a big number. So this is why it took around 5 or 6 minutes for me. It's a similar time maybe for you. So it depends on your server capacity. And it is always recommended to use a WordPress optimized hosting plan that you can avail through WP Themes website. Go to the WP Themes website through video description link, go on hosting tabs, explore the hosting providers. All great hosting will be available there. And one additional advantage, once you buy the hosting through WP Themes website, we are going to support you in setting up your website. So it is important to have a properly set up environment for your website. Okay, so let us now refresh this page to check our new website. It is really going to be amazing, but yes, I am also eager to check. And yes, it is here. Simple, clean, smooth, and I will open the layout that I liked. This is sushi restaurant. Loading up. Yes, wonderful. Amazingly installed all the contents in a very, very peculiar and specific manner. Very smooth installation process, to the point, and we got this complete website. What you need to do next, just upload your menu, your content, and your website is going to be fine. So under menu we have multiple options like dinner, lunch, and all. It is really going to be a successful website, and I am sure you like this theme with all its contents. And under about us there is also gallery options and the hours and locations. So all these pages are very important for a restaurant or the cafe or even food outlet websites. So all pages has a specific unique design. You can use all these pages, and in the order system I can see, okay, so order system is taking you to the ordering system coming from the external sources. Okay, so wonderful. We have successfully installed a theme. We created this website and we have this complete content and the layout that I like. This one is really very attractive. Now I'm taking you to the backend again to show you what we have as additional options. So with the one-time themes, I have seen the things are always simple and we have only this dashboard. We have already used the options available as dashboard. You don't need to do much with the theme. You simply go to the customize sections for customizing the basic things, I mean the logo and rest of the things, and you will be able to handle your complete website and its content through the Elementor and Elementor Pro. So this theme uses Elementor Pro, so this is why all the basic things can be done through the Elementor Pro itself. Site identity, like logo, you can upload from here. Rest of things are very common, as in common installations. For editing the content, like if we have this home page or even this, so we can simply open the page that we want to edit and hover on the sections that you want to edit. Like if you are willing to edit the newsletter section, reservation form, you can go to the directly pop-up sections and the sections. So all these you can find in the backend of Elementor itself, like custom fonts and the custom code. So all these things, if we are talking about the templates, so you can check the save templates. I'm just checking. So these are the things where you can edit the most of the things. So these elements are directly being used at our website, like large text button text, reservation system, and the text button and all. So you have to hover on the things that you want to edit, and for editing the page content, simply open the page using the Elementor page builder, and you will be able to edit the content of page using Elementor. So using Elementor is simple, easy, and very effective for any website, and you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. And again, if you need any support, we are just a click away, and you have to write in the comment section of this video. You can join the iCreate program. It is going to be free when you are following the video description link for buying the theme at themeforest.net. The theme is available for $89, but yes, it's worth taking this theme because you are going to get a long-term successful website. Okay, so it is important. So you can join the program iCreate for free if you are following the link I was saying. Okay, so the content is loaded here. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same length of text and use the same dimension of images as has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. You don't disturb the layouts and the sections. So these things will be fine, and you can simply navigate to the sections that you want to edit through the Elementor Navigator thing. All good, and I believe you will be able to do all these things at your own. And again, if you need any support, we are here, and we can simply start creating a wonderful website using this WordPress theme. I must tell you something more. So this theme came into existence in last year only, and the updates are also being done. So it is a new theme. So of course you are going to get a unique website using this theme. It is using Elementor and Elementor Pro, as I shown in the video. So you have to buy the theme from the themeforest.net through video description link. You can read all these features. I'm not going to repeat all these things. WAMTem is a very trusted name in the WordPress theme. So you can see the numbers here. So 60,000 plus is clearly mentioned here. You can check all the details. I have shown you most of the things of this theme in this video itself. And if you have any further question, we can simply discuss in the description or on a live chat with the iCreate mentor. Okay, so you are going to get a successful website. Start creating and wait for next video that is bringing more wonderful resources for your WordPress website. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.